Welcome back. In our last video we solved the first one here, 0.21. so in this video we will go straight to the second equation, changing 3.21 with recurring 1 to a fractional form. So solution. So the II is 3.21. This is the same thing as saying 3 plus 0.2. Let me just expand it. Plus 0.01 with 1 recurring. So we are after this very one for the meantime. So this we can say multiply. Let's multiply this one by 10, because why? We have only one digit that keeps repeating, so we multiply it by 10. That's the reason that we need to multiply. It's only one digit, like the one that we did in the last video. It was 2 digits, so that was why we multiplied by 100. Here is only one digit, so therefore say multiply 0.01 by 10 for those that are learning for the first time. So we now have 10 times 0.01. Now this is equal to 0.1. Remember, when multiplied by 10, this decimal point will move once, tenth. So now we can see if it moves here, that is going to be 0.1. And remember, the 1 keeps repeating, so we have to write another one showing that it actually moved to this point. Then other ones that keeps repeating continues. So after this we do what? Subtract. We subtract 0.01 from both sides. So here we have 10 times 0.01 minus 0.01 equal to 0.11 with 1 repeating. That dot on top of that one, 0.01. So from here, 0.01 is common from the first term, and the other term 0.01 is common. Then we have 10 minus 1. I believe you understand why we have this. So when we take 0.01 out, so it's the same thing as what we've just done here. 0.01 times 10 will still return us back here. 0.01 times minus 1 will still return us back to minus 0.01. So at this other point, it's possible for us to subtract this one, because they are okay if we become familiar, or yeah, the familiar. So 0.11 minus 0.01, that will give us 0.1. So the recurring part is gone because you subtract it. So we now have this. So 9 minus 10 minus 9 minus 1, we have 9. So we have 0.01 recurring times 9. So divide both sides by 9. We have this 9 up here, now down, so they cancel. We now have 0.01 left. So from here we can still express this one as 0.1 divided by 9, and then you can just say 9 divided by 1. So let's change this one to fraction as well. So we have 1 over 10. That 0.1 is something as this. So change the division sign to multiplication, then the fraction turns upside down. That is reciprocal of 9 over 1 turns to this. So you multiply it out. 1 times 1 is 1. 10 times 9 is 90. So that's the fractional part. So let's bring back everything. So we bring down 3.21, which is equal to 3 plus 0.2 plus 0.01. So let's fix everything together. Change this to a fraction. We have 2 over 10. Then while this one, the answer here is 1 over 90. So we have what? We have the LCM of 10 and 90 is 90. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 9 times 2, we have 18. Then 90 divided by 90 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1 here. So therefore our fractional form of 3.21 will now be 3 whole number 19 over 90. That's 18 plus 1, we have 19. So we have this as the answer. So I would like to leave this with you. The I, that is the third one. I'd like to leave this with you. 0.18 with 18 be occurring. Then IV will be 2.0315 dot. This one means that three things. Can see you, I drop it here. It's not right for you to say dot on top of 3, dot on 1, and dot on 3. So you only drop dot on the first digit and the last digit that's repeating. So 315 repeating is repeating here. There's going to be 2.0315, 315, 315, and so on. So I would like to see your answer in at the comment section. Please do try and comment, like, and share so that your loved one as well can see the video. If you have any problem, mathematics problem that you have or you think is disturbing, you can still share with us. We'll solve it together. I love you. I want to see you in our next video. Thank you.